good morning. And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 05:05 on Thursday, the 7th of November. There are warnings of gales in Shannon, Rockall, Hebrides, Bailey, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at midnight. New low expected Fitzroy 1013 by midnight Friday. New high expected Denmark 1035 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Sierra. Southerly 4 to 6, occasionally 3 at first, increasing 7 at times later. Fog patches at first, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. South at Sierra. Variable 2 to 4, becoming southeast 3 or 4 later. Drizzle, moderate or good. 40s, Cromarty, 4th, Tyne, Dogger. Variable 2 to 4 at first in Dogger, otherwise southerly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in 40s and Cromarty. Fair, moderate or good. Fisher, German Bight. Northwesterly 3 to 5 at first in East Fisher, otherwise variable 3 or less, becoming southeasterly 2 to 4 later. Fair, moderate or good, occasionally poor in German Bight. Humber, Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay. East or southeast 3 to 5. Drizzle, fog patches at first in Portland, Plymouth and Biscay. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. Fitzroy, Sol. Southerly or southeasterly, becoming cyclonic later 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first. Rain in west, perhaps thundery, moderate or good. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. South or southeast 4 to 6. Drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall. Southerly 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic 4 to 6, occasionally 3 later in Rockall. Rain at times, good, occasionally poor. Malin, Hebrides. South or southeast 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 until later in Hebrides, occasionally 4 later. Drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Bailey, south or southwest 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6 later, backing southeast 3 or 4 later. Rain or drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin. I'll be back with a general weather forecast in a few minutes.
Thank you, Simon. This is BBC Radio 4. It's 5:30.